today I have a very special video here where I'm going to be educating everybody on opportunities in tech. And why am I making this video? Because if you're just meeting, my name is Noah and I'm a career coach and prosperity coach. I'm focused on helping immigrants thrive and prosper in their lives, and I've been doing that through tech education or helping people build skills and competency, gaining experience to be able to secure amazing jobs across the world. I've helped a ton of people in Australia, UK, Canada, US to learn skills in tech over the years. And prior to me moving to Australia and starting seeing skills, I've been a coach helping software tester back home in Nigeria to learn incredible skills that have changed their lives forever. And it is always a joy to me when I see somebody secure a job, we celebrate it, I give testimony in church. That is what fires me up. That is my calling. That is what I love to do. And in today's video, it is motivated from a lot of people who have inquired about, hey Noah, I've heard that you are able to help me secure a tech job, but I have some concern. Is this saturated? I just the opportunity going into the new year 2025. Everybody wants to be a business analyst, a project manager, a scrum master, work in tech, work remote jobs, get all the opportunities, increase their earning power. And I say, yes. In this video, because I'm answering that question time and time again, I want to back that response with data, and I'll show you a couple of things around what is the demand for tech workers, right? For 2025 and going into the future. I just see opportunity. I'm going to be answering that. And if there are opportunity, then how can I position myself, assuming that I'm somebody that does not have any tech background? So I'm new, I've been working in an industry, nothing related to tech, or I've even done some education in tech, like masters, like BSc. Well, I still need to do a couple of work in terms of building my confidence, building my skills, and gaining some experience. So whatever situation you're in, if you're looking to get an opportunity in tech and you have these questions roaming your mind, I have good news for you. So I'll talk about those opportunities. I'll talk about why organizations even love hiring you coming from other background, other industry. Maybe you're in healthcare, maybe you're in accounting, and you're thinking about, oh, I don't have tech experience. I'll tell you with data. I'll also expose you the fact that you already have some tech skills that you're not just packaging correctly. Of course, there are, depending on the role, there are other specific technical skills that you need to learn, and you can learn if you set your mind to learning. But the important thing is you already have some tech skills. There are some soft skills that are even more important right now that you have, and is not spoken enough, because hard skills is easy to measure, right? You can literally gauge, oh, can this person write requirement? Can they draw a flow chart? All of those things can be measured. What cannot easily be measured? Communication skills, documentation skills, all of those things, soft skills, that is the biggest leverage at this point in time, are not easy to measure. If you already have that, then you already have some tech skills that you can use for your leverage if you want to get into tech. So in this video, if you stay to the end, I'm promising you that I'm also going to be showing you some pitfalls, some mistakes that people make. So those information I'm going to be sharing at the end of the video would also help you avoid pitfalls, typical pitfalls that make people give up on their dreams. Let's start with, are there demand? Like, there's no point if there are no demand for this role. Why am I upskilling for tech roles, getting into tech roles if there are no demand? So let's check. So if you go to seek.com.au, so if you're in Australia, you know that seek.com.au is number one. You go to LinkedIn, if you're outside Australia, maybe UK, Canada, Indeed, you go to all those job boards and just type in your job search, type business analyst, right? On a average, you get at least 8,000 jobs on seek.com.au. I am checking right now and I know what I'm saying. So you will definitely see that there are a lot of opportunities as a business analyst here in Australia and beyond. So if you look at that from that perspective, you already see that, hey, there's opportunity. If you do project management as well, you will see that there are a lot of opportunities. So I want to show this as a baseline for us to start, right? So we don't say, hey, I'm giving you some stats. This is not just stats. It's something you can check real time. If you check in real time, you see the amount of job. And today is the 8th of January. So pretty much people are just returning back from holiday. So job boards are not updated as much. but there's still thousands of opportunity. And guess what? You need 1 year to get a job. So that question, is tech saturated? No, it's not. Why people struggle to get job is because they don't have the skills and experience to get a job. The job market is hot right now. Like, there's a lot of opportunity. Also, it's challenging because of course there's AI, there's increased competition. So organizations are not just going to hire anybody. Unlike in COVID, where if you have basic tech skills, if you just did a course online, like even if you didn't finish, you may be able to get a tech job. Some people had three, four jobs, one person, because everything was digital. Tech companies were looking to hire tech workers or anybody that smells like a tech worker. You got the opportunity. In fact, some people got jobs without being interviewed. Why? Because there were more opportunities, and everything we did then was online. People were not moving around, so we all wanted to do stuff online. So companies were hiring like crazy. That has changed. There are still opportunities, but you need to know that the standard is back to normal, right? So you need to have that skills and experience. So if you check your LinkedIn, if you check Seek, if you check Indeed, whatever job platform, you will see thousands of jobs on there. And that demonstrates to you that there are opportunities and it's not in any way saturated. All right, let's back this up with some stat. I love to show stat, and so that you also see that we've already busted that myth that is it saturated. So you can see that there, hopefully you checked, there are opportunities. So in terms of projection now, what is tech job projection next couple of years from 2025 and beyond? So we are seeing that AI, of course, except you're living under the rock, AI is taking over a lot of industry. Like every industry now, they need to think about how do we use AI to become more efficient, faster, effective. So all the top execs, they are thinking about how to adopt AI. Even as individuals, we are also using AI. I'm sure somebody here watching, you've used ChatGPT, you've used all these AI tools to become more efficient. There's a lot of things, use case for AI in our lives as well, and it's only going to get better. But of course, the popular saying, AI is going to get all our job, replace all of us. That is not true. It's only people that are using AI that will replace everyone. So you need to be upskilling in the area of AI. By the way, if you want to upskill, you want to know the foundation of AI to get leverage. So this is not just about ChatGPT now. You want to understand the basics. AI, how it is trained. You want to learn about supervised learning, deep learning, machine learning, all of those underlying technology that makes AI work. Then comment AI skills and I'll send you the course link to enroll.